it's wrong. And if I ask the Department of Justice to defer consideration of the application of Mayor Sanchez until this issue is clarified, because in my reading of what was reported, he is not qualified because of the involvement in drug trade. So he must serve his full sentence. And just for the record, he was sentenced to 7 life terms. Under the law, however, the maximum years of detention is 40, aside from 40 years. But he was, because we charged him with conspiracy to rape and kill Aileen Sarmenta and Alan Gomez. So, under the law, the act of one is the act of all in a conspiracy. So, since each of the accused was convicted and sentenced to 40 years, theoretically, 7 life terms ang sentensya ng bawat isa. But, so that's 7 life terms, 40 years, that's 280 years. Except that there is a law, there is the revised penal code, ang sinasabi, ang maximum na makulong mo yung isang tao ay 40 years. So that is why he was only, he's supposed to serve the sentence for 40 years. But having said that, he should serve the full sentence. Hindi naman siya kasama dapat sa good conduct time allowance.